Hey, this is Dr. Cody Rall with Tech vs. Psych, where we investigate the latest in neurotechnology and combine that with ancient wisdom to supercharge your brain. Thanks so much for being here. I wanted to give you guys an update. I'm here in Alaska, up on the bluff. You know, my annual trip to Alaska. It's just a gorgeous evening. And I always reflect when I come back here because, you know, this is the place where I started out before I moved to Chicago and lived in Washington, D.C., and then back to Chicago, and, you know, here probably moving to San Diego here in the next year or two. And, you know, Tech vs. Psych's been a crazy ride so far. Really have gotten into these EEG neurofeedback devices and been so enthralled with meditation using the EEG devices, and a lot of people are doing some great work behind it, and really feeling like these devices can take your mind to the next level when you train through programs like the Muse app and MindLift. And I know a lot of you have applied for coaching with me, and I've gotten through quite a few people, and the feedback's really great. You can see the testimonials on my landing page, but I'm having trouble getting to all of you. So what I'm going to be doing is actually creating an online course in which I can take cohorts of people through the training so that I can you know, bring more of this neurofeedback meditation training to everybody and build the Tech vs. Psych community even more. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that, and I know I'm having trouble getting back to all of you because there's a lot of people that are trying to get in contact with me these days, and I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful that this is going on, you know, through LinkedIn, through email, through Facebook, and, you know, all the different sources that people can try to contact you. I'm really trying to keep up and answer questions as much as I can and take on coaching clients as much as I can. But, you know, for the next year or two here, I have to finish up my commitment with the armed forces as a psychiatrist there and kind of doing this on the side, but really enjoying it and looking forward to moving into it full time. So for all of you that have applied, please be patient. I am getting the online course training up as we speak, and I should be taking on a lot more clients this fall. And for those of you who want to do and be in the cohort, it might be actually a good idea to apply now so that I have your application, so that I'm choosing from people to put in the cohorts going through the course, that you will be first on the list to start moving through the online training course. And I'll have equipment for everybody that doesn't have equipment, and you know, tutorial videos in there to teach you how to use the equipment so we don't waste a lot of time on the group calls, and taking you through different methods to actually enhance your meditative technique using neurofeedback technology, whether that is to improve your attention, improve your mood, improve your performance. You know, we can customize that to your needs and move you through the program, and hopefully you get a lot of benefit out of it, like a lot of my clients have so far. So, you know, quick public service announcement from Dr. Cody Rall here in Alaska, getting back to Chicago here within the next couple of days to upload and be working on that program. So thanks everybody for your patience. Really appreciate it. I love all of you. I love what we're doing here with Tech vs. Psych. Talk to you again sometime soon.